Welcome to part 2 of the Open University Registration Tutorial Series. In this video, we'll show students how to navigate MySJSU to search for a class and how to register for a class. To begin, you'll go to SJSU 1. Sign in to SJSU 1, then find the icon for MySJSU under the tab Most Popular. Before searching for a class, it's important to note that you may be required to activate your account for the term. Please refer to your registration instructions on our website to see whether you need to term activate. If you need to term activate, follow these steps. From your Student Center, under the Academic section, select the three dots on the top right-hand side to see a drop-down menu. Then, select Open University Enrollment. On this page, you'll select Open University Undergraduates or Open University Postbaccalaureate if you have already earned a degree. Next, select the available term. Click Submit when finished. This will complete the steps in activating your account for the term. You are now ready to search for a class and begin registration. As a reminder, registration for Open University classes opens on the first day of class for the fall and spring term, and 2 weeks after SJSU students during intersession. In your Student Center, find the section Academics and click Search to browse for a class. Make sure the current term is correct. Then enter your search criteria below. You can expand your search by clicking the arrow for additional search criteria. Make sure you select at least 2 search criteria overall to get a search result. In this example, I will search using the Subject button and Course Career. If you would like to see classes with open seats available, make sure to select the box Show Open Classes Only. Classes that fit your search criteria will show below. To see more details of a class, select the class ID number on the first column or the section number on the second column. Once you have found the class you want to take, make a note of the instructor's name. Registration to an Open University class requires permission from the instructor along with a permission code. Check to make sure you meet the class prerequisites. You can find the class prerequisites under the section Enrollment Information. You will need to email the instructor with your intent to enroll in their class and request a permission number if registering through MySJSU. An instructor's email is usually their first name last name at sjsu.edu. You can also find the instructor's email using the SJSU directory. Once you have received your permission code and registration has begun, add the class with the permission code. If the class you want to register for is full and has a waitlist, add yourself to the waitlist and find an alternative class as backup. To complete your enrollment, follow the next 3 steps in your cart checkout. Select the class in your cart that you want to register for, confirm the class is selected, and click Finish Enrolling to process the request. View the status of your class requests. In your Student Center under the Academic section, you'll see your enrolled classes listed. To make a payment for your classes, find the section Finances, then click the link Pay Now. Once you have confirmed your enrollment in your classes and have made your payment, you have completed the registration process. If you were not able to enroll for classes on MySJSU, continue to the next tutorial video on how to submit an online DocuSign registration form. For more information on your MySJSU Student Center, visit the Student Tutorial website provided by IT Services.